Republic Day quiz. When was the first Republic Day celebrated? 26 January 1950. The Republic Day parade starts from Rashtrapati Bhavan. Who was the President of India on first Republic Day? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Which is India's national anthem? Jana Gana Mana. Who take the salute of the armed forces on the parade held at Rajpath? The President of India. Who is called as the father of Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who was the first Vice President of independent India? Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Who was the designer of the Indian national flag? Pingali Venkaiah. Who raises the Indian flag in the state capital on Republic Day? Governor. Who was the chief guest on the first Republic Day parade of India in 1950? The Indonesian President Sukarno. National Bravery Awards are given on Republic Day. The beating retreat ceremony held at Vijay Chowk. India's highest civilian award. Bharat Ratna. World's largest democratic country. India. Who wrote India's national anthem? Rabindranath Tagore.